In this video we're going to solve some addition and subtraction questions. So in order to solve these, the first thing we need to do is find the LCD. And for the first couple of questions we're just going to do it by inspection. So for the LCD for 3r squared, rs cubed, and 3s, we need the 3. The biggest power of r is squared, so we need r squared, and the biggest power of s is s cubed. So that'll have to be our LCD. So we want to add and subtract those so that the denominator is 3r squared s cubed. In order to do that, we need an s cubed for the first term, so we have to multiply by s cubed over s cubed. That's going to give us 2s cubed. Plus 4 is on top of this, and we need to multiply it by, well, we have r and s cubed, so we need the 3, so we're going to have to multiply by 3. And we need another r, so 3r over 3r. So that's 3r. And finally, minus 5. 3s is missing r squared and s squared, so we have to multiply by r squared, s squared. And that gives us r squared, s squared, and the denominator is our LCD. Now we just need to evaluate the numerator, so we get 2s cubed plus 12r minus 5 r squared s squared over the denominator, which is 3r squared s cubed, and that's our final answer. We can't simplify the numerator anymore, so we're done. So find the LCD. What do you need to multiply to make each denominator into the LCD? Do the same to the numerator, top and bottom the same, and then simplify the numerator. Example 22 then. So we start by finding the LCD. And the LCD here is going to have to be the product of those, so x minus 1 times x plus 1, because they're both different. So we need to multiply the first term by x plus 1 over x plus 1, and the second one we're going to have to multiply by x minus 1 over x minus 1. And what happens then, our denominator becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1. And our numerator becomes a multiplied by x plus 1 plus a multiplied by x minus 1. And if we simplify that, we get ax plus ax minus a over x plus 1 and x minus 1. And if we add them, then we get 2ax plus a minus a cancel, so those are gone, over x plus 1 and x minus 1. And there's that one. We're going to do one more for this video, which is example 23 here. And we're going to do this by first finding the LCD, only we're going to do this one a little differently. We're going to say, okay, we have s, which if we factor just is s. S plus 4, well, that can't be factored anymore either, so that's s plus 4, and we'll put it in brackets. And then finally we have s squared plus 8s plus 16. And if we factor that, we get s plus 4 and s plus 4. So the LCD then, the lowest common denominator, is going to be s multiplied by s plus 4 multiplied by s plus 4. We take each of the factors from each of our denominators. And so that's what we see here, and that's what we did before to find the LCD. So now we see, okay, to change the s in the first term into the LCD, we need to multiply by s plus 4 times s plus 4. So we're going to get 1 multiplied by s plus 4 times s plus 4 in the numerator of the first term. The second term is minus 1, and here we're missing s and s plus 4, so that's going to be times s and s plus 4. And then that's going to be plus 8, and the last denominator is just missing the s, so we're going to have to multiply that one by s. And the denominator is, well, that's the LCD, as that's what we're trying to make it into. So we get that. Now it's just a matter of simplifying. S plus 4 times s plus 4, well, that's s squared plus 8s plus 16, minus s squared minus 4, when we multiply in with the minus 1 in the s, plus 8s, and that's all over the LCD, which is s plus 4, and s plus 4. And finally, we simplify the numerator. S squared minus s squared cancels. 8s minus 4s, this should have been, is 4s plus 8 is 12s plus 16 all over s times s plus 4 times s plus 4. And we can factor the numerator. 4 outside of 3s plus 4, common factor. S plus 4, and s plus 4 in the denominator. But there's nothing we can cancel there, so that doesn't make a big difference if you do that or not. But it's nice to do that extra bit of factoring. So we'll stop this video there. Those take a little bit of time, so work through either those ones again, or go ahead and work on the next page. Make sure you're getting these answers right. If you have any questions, come see me, go to the Math Help Center, get some help, and we'll see you in the next lesson.